Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve sine of x plus y equals 2x minus 2y at the point pi, comma pi. First, we need to find the derivative because we want to get the slope of the tangent line. Since this equation is defined implicitly, we will use implicit differentiation. We first start rewriting the equation, leave some space in between, and then we differentiate the left-hand side with respect to x. It has to be with respect to x, and the right-hand side with respect to x as well. On the left-hand side, it is sine of an expression, so we will use the chain rule, but the outside function is sine. The derivative of sine is cosine. We rewrite the inner function, and then we multiply the derivative of the inner function. The inner function is x plus y, whose derivative with respect to x is 1. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1, but the derivative of y with respect to x is y prime. On the right-hand side, it is the difference of two terms. The derivative of 2x is 2 with respect to x. The derivative of 2y with respect to x is minus 2y prime. In order to isolate y prime, we need to move all the terms with y prime to the left. If y prime is inside the parentheses, we need to distribute and get rid of the parentheses. We will take cosine of x plus y times 1 and then cosine of x plus y times y prime to get cosine of x plus y plus cosine of x plus y times y prime. The right-hand side is still 2 minus 2y prime. We move any terms with y prime to the left-hand side. If it is already on the left-hand side, leave it on the left-hand side. And any term on the right-hand side with y prime, move it to the left. Don't forget to change the sign. The right-hand side is still 2, and the term on the left-hand side that doesn't have y prime, move it to the right. And so on the right, it is 2 minus cosine of x plus y. Next, the goal is to isolate y prime, so we would need to combine like terms with y prime. To do that, we factor out y prime, and so we have cosine of x plus y plus 2 equals 2 minus cosine of x plus y. We can now isolate y prime to get 2 minus cosine of x plus y over cosine of x plus y plus 2. And no, we cannot cancel out this cosine of x plus y because it is a term, not a factor. But all we need is the slope, and so we would evaluate this derivative at x equals pi and y equals pi. These are the coordinates of the point given. The derivative is 2 minus cosine, x is pi and y is pi, over cosine of x is pi, y is pi, then plus 2. This is 2 minus cosine of 2 pi over cosine of 2 pi plus 2. 2 pi is at the point 1, 0, and so cosine of 2 pi is 1. Cosine of 2 pi is 1. And so the slope of the tangent line is 1 over 3. The equation that we're looking for is y minus y naught equals m, the slope, x minus x naught. Most likely, we will need to isolate y. Y is 1 over 3x minus pi over 3, and we move the pi to the right-hand side. We still need to combine like terms. This is y equals 1 over 3x and minus 1 over 3 pi plus 1 pi, which is minus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 3. And so this is plus 2 over 3 pi. This is the equation of the tangent line to the curve given.